King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a foreman came in sight, gathering winter fuel. Agents stand by me, if thou know'st his telling, yonder peasant who is he, where and what is dwelling? Sir, he lives a goodly hence, underneath the mountain, right against the forest glens, by St. Agnes Fountain. In his master's steps he trod, where the snow lay dented. He was in the very style which the saint had printed. Therefore, Christian, then be sure, wealth glory possessing, he who now will bless the poor, show yourself